So today I'm going to hardwire in the radar detector in my 2018 Acura RLX Sport Hybrid. I'm hoping that the wiring is a lot similar to some of my other cars like the Honda Ridgeline or the Acura NSX. Both of them have power going to the rear view mirror, which should make this tap really simple. I'm going to show you the connectors that I use, which make the job even easier. Hopefully this will be a straightforward video and help some people out getting their radar detector hardwired. The benefits of it is it certainly looks a lot more clean than just having that cord dangle down. So as you can see, having that thing go all the way down there isn't the best sight when you're getting into a $60,000 luxury car, right? So we're gonna see if we can clean that up, and let me know if you have any questions. So the first thing you're gonna do is use your pry tool to pop out the panel right above the rear view mirror. It's kind of wedged in there pretty tight, so when you get it out, set it aside. After that, you're gonna reach behind and pull straight down on this plastic cover. There's gonna be 4 clips that are holding it in. There you go. And as you can see, I've already done this, so my taps are already on there. But I'll freeze the video and you can see the 2 orange clips at the bottom. There's 2 more up top. There's the next clips. And we're gonna undo the connector there. This is a schematic from Acura that kind of shows how to take off the rear view mirror, which is gonna make this a lot easier. You just twist it to the left like you're unscrewing it. And that's where it mounts and dismounts from. So we're gonna unconnect the connector, twist that rear view mirror to the left, and off it comes. So as far as the wiring goes, really straightforward. Red is for power, black is for ground. Tap those 2 wires and you're setting on your way. So here's my connectors. And then to put everything back together, just press it straight up. Everything should pop back into place. And you're on your way. So really straightforward install to hardwire in your radar detector. Go ahead and mount it however you'd like, and there you go. Enjoy.